In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI videos, how to animate your video, and how to generate consistent images for your character. I know you're probably wondering, how do you start? I don't have any money to buy a laptop, I don't have any money to buy a good phone, and I want to start YouTube automation, and I want it to be monetizable. You need to follow this channel if you want to learn free AI too. I'm not just going to bring you how to work smartly, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about starting for free. Let's be honest, you're probably just starting out and you don't have money to start paying for tools. Maybe when you get monetized, you can start paying for tools. But right now, I don't want to hear the excuse of I don't have a system because I'm going to be using my techno phone to generate everything. I don't want to get the excuse that I don't have a good phone, I don't have laptop, I don't have. All you need is just your browsing phone, any browsing phone. So I'm using Chrome for this. These two I'm going to teach you in this video. You can create images on it. Let's say you don't have any images yet, you just want to create images, you can generate your images on it and also animate it to video. You don't just generate image, you can also animate it to video. So I'm going to teach you the two process. The first method is we are going to generate the image on this site. You understand? We are going to generate our image first on this site before we animate it on this same site. So let's go, let's start. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to search for Queen 3.5 plus. So you're going to choose this first one, Sword Native. You are going to choose this first one. You are going to wait for it to load. The next thing is you're going to try Queen Studio. Let me zoom it in so that you can see what I'm doing clearly. The next thing you're going to do is you have to confirm if you are viewing this page in desktop site. Did you see this? So that it's going to be clear. It's going to be as if you are using a system to work. You know we are working smartly. We are working with our techno phone. So you make sure that you click on this desktop site. It's ticked like this. So if it's ticked like this, it's going to bring you here. And if it doesn't bring you here, you need to click on sign up and sign up, because I don't want this video to be too long. I would have taught you how to sign up, but you can just click on sign up if you don't have a account before, or you can just quickly log in if you have an account on it before. So because I already have an account, that's why it took me straight here. So for you, just click on sign up and it's not going to take a minute to sign up. And if you're still having a problem, you can just leave a message for me in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. So the next thing you are going to be doing is we want this thing to generate image. You know all these videos that you see on Facebook, all this cooking video. This is what I want to practice with in this tutorial. You can use it for other things. It's similar to ChatGPT. You can upload files. If you just click on this plus sign right here, you can upload attachments, you can create image, you can create video, and many more. So what we are going to do next is that you are going to go to this prompt box here and you are going to paste your prompts. So because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm just going to paste what I want. See, Nigeria lady cooking jollof rice on firewood, and there are many dirty plates and pots scattered on the floor. So this is what I want it to generate. So you are going to click on this blue arrow so that it can generate it. It takes a little bit of time, but you have to be patient. So this is the image it's generated. If you don't like it, you can reprompt it. And you can use both laptop and phone, like I said, to create this. So don't give me the excuse that, oh, I don't have money to buy a laptop before I can start YouTube automation, before I can start creating TikTok video, before I can start creating Facebook videos. You can create it on your phone. If a techno phone can do this, so you don't have any excuse. Can you see the image that it generated as? It is very, very clear. If you want to animate this image, what you need to do is you're going to click on this image. But first, I want to remove this phone from desktop sites so that I'll be seeing it. I'm still going to see it either way, but I want to remove it from desktop sites. If you see that is the interface is not what you want it to be, you can just remove it from desktop sites. So you click on this image. Once you click on it, you are going to see create video, edit video, and so on. So for me, I want to create video. So I am going to click on create video. So it's telling me to describe the video I want to generate. What do I want this video to do? What do I want this woman to do in this video? So this is where my prompts come in. So that is the action. I said I want the woman to look tired, pointing to dirty plates, soft firewood sounds in the background, jollof rice is steaming, and the woman is speaking English slowly. Do you understand? That is the gesture I want in the video. Now for this audio for the thing I want the woman to say. I'm not going to put that one in brackets. I'm just going to leave it exactly what I want it to say. This is where your human effort comes in. You have to make it exactly what you want it to say. So come and wash the plates so she can serve the food because the food is ready. That is very, very wrong. So I need to say, come and wash the plate so I can serve food because the food is ready. She's talking to her children, you understand? So come and wash the plate so that she can serve the food, that the food is ready. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on this arrow now so that it can generate. This thing takes time, so you have to wait for a few seconds and your image will be ready. So something I failed to mention earlier is that you can change your video ratio here. Do you understand? You can put it in 1:1, 3 ratio, anyone you want, depending on where you want to upload your video. For me, I want 16:9 because this is a YouTube video, definitely. So I'm going to leave my own in 16:9. So we just finished generating our video. Let's play it and see if it's giving us what we want.
Come and wash the plates so I can serve food because food is ready.
Did you see that it's perfect? Did you see that it's perfect? So let me download it and go and play it in my gallery so that you see how clear it is. See, I just clicked on this arrow down here to download and I just finished downloading. So let's open it and see what we generated.
Come and wash the plates so I can serve food because food is ready.
Is it looking real or not? So you can generate this for free without paying one kobo. You are going to keep animating all your images, and once you animate it finish, you are going to take all the clips to CapCut, where you are going to combine everything together to make it your AI story or your what you need it for. So now let me show you how to just bring one image from somewhere and animate that image. Like I promised, I said I'm going to show you another method. Let's say you don't want this AI tool to generate your image. You want to bring an image outside, you just want to use this one to generate your video. So you are going to click on this plus sign and you see all these, you see upload. You are going to upload an image that you want to generate. You see photos and videos. I'm going to click on it so that it's going to take me to my phone gallery. We are going to go and look for an image right now. So let me just use this for an example. This is a woman looking at the window. When it's finished loading, we are going to click on it to see the image. So I'm going to describe what I want her to say in this video. Just like I said, I always put brackets to show the gesture I want the person to do. So like now I've opened the bracket, so I'm going to put she's breathing slowly and biting her fingers. This is the gesture I want this image to do. And this is what I want it to say. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Now, for what I want her to do again, after saying, oh my gosh, it looks so cute, she's going to look away and her eyes are going to be wide open and she's going to say, I think he saw me staring at him, but speak slowly. Because I want it to be like a Nigerian English. If you just put Nigerian English, it might generate pidgin for you. So, but I want it to speak slowly. I don't want it to talk too fast so that it will give me that Nigerian vibe. You understand? So, speak slowly again. You put it in the second action too. Speak slowly. So this is it. Then you click on enter. So we are waiting for it to generate now. This is the image we used. This is just like 5 seconds later. So let's see the video it's created for us. Let's play it and see.
Oh my gosh. I think he saw me staring at him.
So it generated this video in a landscape because the picture I used is in a landscape. So if you want it to be in this YouTube format, just click on it and it's going to be in it. Or just generate your image in this 16:9 ratio. You understand? Let's play it again.
Oh my gosh. I think he saw me staring at him.
So if you want to download it, you just click on download right there like we did in the first part. That is it for the second method. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to keep looking for free tools for you as a beginner so that you will not have any excuse to tell me that is why you're not generating images, that is why you're not making money on YouTube, because a lot of people are making money with YouTube automation nowadays and I want you guys to benefit from it too. This is why I'm here for you. Thank you for always watching my video and have a wonderful day. Bye.